Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Here is today's kanji. It is read ku or rai in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means to come. It has 7 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like rai. On its own, it is usually ku. Ripe grain bending toward you, the harvest coming in. Now let's write it. 7 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Kuru means to come. Rainen means next year. And raigetsu means next month. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Kome, read kome, rice. Higashi, read higashi. Notice the small differences. So that's lai, to come. 7 strokes, read ku or rai. Try writing it 5 times today.